So, what if I told you that you could direct a professional-level music video for your latest track right from your laptop, with no crew and, get this, almost no budget? Today, we're going to break down the AI blueprint that is making this a reality for independent artists everywhere.
Look, we've all been there. You've poured your heart and soul into the music. The track is an absolute banger, but a pro-level video, that just feels like a whole other world, right? One with massive budgets and logistical nightmares. Well, that's all about to change. We're going to show you how AI puts a full-scale production team right at your fingertips.
Seriously, forget about renting expensive cameras or hiring a whole crew. AI is now your cinematographer, your animator, and your visual effects artist all rolled into one. And this isn't just some new, gimmicky tool, it's a revolutionary shift that puts the power of creation directly into your hands.
Okay, so how does this whole thing actually work? It's way simpler than you think. We're going to break the entire process down into two core parts, and we'll even use terms straight from professional filmmaking. First, you have the performance, which is your A roll, and then you have the world, which is your B roll.
All right, let's dive into part one, the performance. This is the absolute heart of your music video. It's the main event, you know? It's where your artist or character connects directly with the audience, delivering those lyrics and anchoring the entire visual story.
So A-roll is all about those performance shots, and the single most important job here, you gotta nail the lip sync. A believable performance is what sells the whole thing. It's what connects the visuals directly to the feeling of your song. And here's the secret sauce, right? You can't just use any old AI video generator for this. To get a really crisp, believable lip sync, especially if you've got fast-paced vocals or rap, you need a tool that is specifically built for that one critical job.
So, what are your best options for that A-roll? Well, HeyGen is a real standout. It's known for its incredibly realistic lip sync, which makes it a top choice for rappers. DID is a reliable workhorse, great for quick, dependable results. And then you've got Pika, which cleverly integrates lip sync right into its full video suite, which is perfect if you're someone who likes an all-in-one workflow.
Okay, once your performance is locked in, it's time for part two, the world. This is where you get to build the entire cinematic universe around your song. It's all about setting the mood, telling a visual story, and creating a totally immersive experience for your audience. And this is what we call B-roll, the visual story. Think of it as, well, everything else. The sweeping landscapes, the cool abstract animations, the quick cuts that add so much depth and context. This is how you build the vibe and make your video feel truly epic. And for your B-roll, the tools are just incredible. Runway's Gen 2 is an absolute powerhouse. You can literally take a line from your lyrics, pop it in as a text prompt, and just watch it generate a stunning cinematic scene. Then you have tools like Kyber, which is amazing at creating those really stylized, artistic visuals that can even react to the beat of your track. Okay, so we have the tools for the performance and the tools for the world. Now let's put it all together into a pro-level AI workflow. This is your step-by-step guide to making it all happen. The first, and honestly maybe the most important step in this whole process happens before you even touch an AI tool. Just like in traditional filmmaking, preparation is everything. Let's look at the core assets you've got to have ready to go. First off, you need your final audio file. Make sure it's high quality, because this is the backbone for everything. Next, your main character image. And here's a huge pro tip. Don't just grab any stock photo. Hop on an AI image generator like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 to create something that's totally unique and fits your artistic vision. And try to generate a few different poses and angles. That variety is going to be a lifesaver later on.
All right, on to step two. With your audio and your awesome character images ready, it's time to generate the core performance. We're going back to that crucial A-roll to create the lip-synced clips that will anchor the whole video.
You know, the process here is actually surprisingly straightforward. You'll take your character image and your audio file, and you just upload them directly into one of those specialized lip sync tools we talked about, like a HeyGen or a Pika. The AI then does the heavy lifting. It analyzes the audio and meticulously animates your character's mouth to match the lyrics perfectly.
So let's just step back for a second and look at the whole four-step blueprint. Step 1, we prepared our assets. Step 2, we generated the A-roll. Step 3 is generating that awesome cinematic B-roll using our lyrics as creative prompts. And that brings us to the final and most creative step, assembling and editing it all together. This is your complete roadmap from a simple idea to the final cut.
And that final step, the edit, that's where you really bring your vision to life. You'll import all your AI-generated clips, your A-roll and your B-roll, into a standard video editor. It doesn't matter if you use powerful free software like DaVinci Resolve or industry standards like Premiere Pro. The process is the same. You cut your clips together, sync them to the music, and polish your masterpiece.
So there you have it. We've walked through the concepts, the best-in-class tools, and the professional workflow. The blueprint is now officially yours. It's your turn to create. If there's one thing I really want you to take away from all this, it's the power of the hybrid approach. Don't go looking for one single AI tool to do everything. Instead, use a specialized tool for that precision task of lip syncing, and then use a different, highly creative tool for building your world. When you combine their strengths, that's when you get the best of both worlds. It's a total game changer.
The technology is here. The barrier to entry has completely vanished. The story you want to tell, the world you want to build, it's all just one prompt away. So the only real question left is, what are you going to create?